Assalamu alaikum learners, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe at your homes. I am Rahila, your history and geography teacher. Class 8, unit number 2, it's your 5th lecture. Learners, open your book, page number 15. The topic is folds and fold mountains. Now we start reading. Folds. The amount of force exerted on rock layers influences the way they bend and crumple. Crumple means break down. When the amount of compressional means pressed together, force exerted on a rock layer is equal from both sides. The rock layer is likely to wrap and crumple to form a symmetrical fold. When the amount of compressional force exerted on the rock layers is unequal, when the force exerted on one side is stronger than the other side, the rock layer will wrap to form a asymmetrical fold. Further uneven compression will cause one limb on the rock layers to be pushed over the other one to create an overfold. Over time, the overfold becomes a recumbent fold. Recumbent means laying down. This happens when the axis of the fold becomes almost horizontal and one limb rests on the other. Extreme stress and force can cause the recumbent fold to fracture along a plane of weakness and break, creating a fault. In this instance, one limb will push over the other, creating an overthrust fold. A nap is formed when the stronger compressional force pushes the overthrust fold to move along the fracture line. Now learners, turn page number 16. On this page there are some pictures. In figure 2.4 you can see different types of folds: symmetrical fold, asymmetrical fold, overfold, recumbent fold and overthrust fold. The next topic is landforms resulting from folding fold mountains. A fold mountain is a type of landform that is created when two crustal plates collide. It is also an example of the process of folding occurring on a very large scale. The plate boundaries made up of oceanic sedimentary rocks are pushed together to form a fold mountain system or a fold mountain range. An example is the Himalayas, which was formed about 50 million years ago. This mountain range is considered a young fold mountain range. Some older fold mountain ranges were formed about 3000 million years ago. Learners, in figure 2.5 you can observe an example of large scale folding taking place at the edge of plate boundaries. Learners, now open page number 17. The Himalayas, Andes and Alps are examples of major young fold mountains that are the result of large-scale folding. Figure 2.6 shows the distribution of young fold mountain ranges in the world. Learners, on this page there is an interesting fact. The Himalayas is the highest and largest fold mountain range in the world. It cuts through several countries: Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, India, Nepal, Pakistan and Tibet, and stretches over 2000 kilometers in length. Its width varies from about 400 kilometers to about 150 kilometers. It has some of the world's highest mountains such as Mount Everest 8850 meters and growing in Nepal. Two major river systems, the Indus and the Ganges, have their sources in the Himalayas. Learners, do reading carefully, underline the difficult words, learn vocab and write on loose sheet. Take care. Allah Hafiz.